Today's video is sponsored by Squarespace, a website building tool that allows you to turn your dream into a reality. Welcome back to another episode of the Scran Line. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I know that you guys have noticed a change on this channel. I am aiming to offer more variety to you guys. So as always, if you have any suggestions on things you'd like to see me make on this channel, leave them in the comments down below. So today I'm going to be doing something new on this channel that I've never done before. We're doing a DIY craft project. I'm going to teach you guys how to make a sprinkle cake stand. These things are perfectly paired with birthday cakes or pretty much any cake. They're really easy to make, and they're the perfect kids craft project. So if you're looking for something to keep kids busy with on the weekend, this is the perfect thing or project for them to do. Before we get stuck into today's video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, guys, because a lot of you watching this video right now are not actually subscribed. So hit the subscribe button, and there's a little bell icon next to it. Click that while you're there as well. So I'm going to be starting off with a wooden cake stand that I bought from my local craft store. You can buy these online as well. If you can't find a wooden one, I'd recommend using plastic, but I wouldn't recommend using glass cake stands. So wood or plastic is fine. We're going to begin by painting our cake stand a light pink color using light pink acrylic paint. We're going to be adding a couple coats of this pink paint. So each time you've added one coat, let it dry completely before adding the next coat. Once you've got about 3 or 4 coats of that pink paint, let it dry completely. To paint the sprinkles, I'm using some rainbow acrylic paint and a little brush. And I'm going to begin with my purple sprinkles. So you want to cover the whole thing in some purple sprinkles, so they're basically just thin lines. Then you want to go through the rest of your rainbow colors and let that dry completely. I would recommend drying overnight. To finish your cake stand, we are going to be coating this in some food safe matte varnish. So again, this is the kind of varnish that you would coat a wooden bench top with to protect it. We're going to be adding 2 coats of that. So once you've added the first coat, let it dry before adding the next coat. And then guys, it's pretty much done. Again, this is perfect for birthday parties or pretty much any cake you like. It's super fun to make, and it's really easy to maintain as well. I wouldn't recommend popping it in the dishwasher. If you want to clean it, just use a damp cloth and wipe it down. Guys, I hope you enjoyed my first ever DIY craft video. If you have any suggestions on other things you'd like me to teach you how to make, then leave a suggestion in the comments down below. I'd love to hear your suggestions. I want to do more of what you guys want me to make. You're going to find the full list of tools and equipment that I use to make this cake stand on my website, scranline.com. Link for that is in the box below. Would you like to turn your dream into reality? Well, you can with Squarespace, because they allow you to launch your passion project. Are you looking to start a new business or showcase your talent? Do you want to create content, or do you want to sell products or more? Well, you can do all of that with Squarespace. They have beautiful templates created by world-class designers and the ability to customize just about anything with a few clicks, so you can create a beautiful website all by yourself. In fact, my sister just started her own business. She has 2 little boys at home, and she has been trying to find natural alternatives to keeping them healthy and safe around the house. So she jumped on squarespace.com, and within a few minutes she had created an account and chosen one of the many free templates. Everything is optimized for mobile right out of the box, and there's nothing to patch or upgrade ever. Buying domains is super simple, and you'll get the help you need with Squarespace's 24/7 award-winning customer support. All images hosted on Squarespace can be edited directly within your browser using Squarespace's built-in image editor. Squarespace allow you to add an open table block to any page, so visitors can make a reservation for your restaurant directly from your website. So that way you can allow your website to handle that side of your business efficiently. Keep in touch with your website visitors by sending out email updates on all your latest offers and events. Go to squarespace.com/the Scran Line when you're ready to launch, and use the offer code the Scran Line to get 10% off your first purchase of a domain or website. That offer code again is the Scran Line. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scran Line.